Hi, my name is Alex Sampson. I'm with Health Benefits Associates here in Reno, and today I'm going to talk about St. Mary's Hospital and Prominence Health Plan's HMO plans, and specifically the contract termination that happened 2 days ago. So let's get right into it. So St. Mary's and Prominence Health Plan's HMO plans terminated their contract effective midnight on Monday the 16th, 2021. So this affects St. Mary's Hospital, not St. Mary's Medical Group. So St. Mary's Medical Group still has their contract with Prominence Health Plans, and that's still active. It also does not change anything as far as St. Mary's urgent care for Prominence HMO members. So these HMO members are part of two groups. One is small group HMOs. These are people with commercial HMO plans offered through Prominence Health Plans. These are commercial freedom HMO plans. These are not PPO plans. So PPO is still contracted, and the point of service is a hybrid between a PPO and an HMO, and they will still be able to use St. Mary's Medical Center facilities. So that is still fine. The other major group that's contracted is the Prominence Medicare Advantage members. This is probably the more populous of the members. Anyone on a Prominence Medicare Advantage plan or MAPD over the age of 65 with Medicare or on a disability would be affected here. For these plans, you have a few different options. One is to use a different hospital. Now remember, the medical group is still contracted, so this is just about St. Mary's Hospital. Another option is to switch plans, and we can do that between October 15th and December 7th of this upcoming year for an effective date of January 1st. The third option, if you are not using the St. Mary's Hospital, then you don't need to worry about this. You can do nothing if you're still using Carson Tahoe, if you're still using Northern Nevada Medical Center, those are just fine to continue on using. The next steps here, as far as where this is going and the bigger picture of things, the contract may be reestablished, and we've seen that with United Healthcare. They did that earlier this year when they broke their contract with Renown, or Anthem did that earlier a few years ago when they had a problem with Renown. This is similar just as far as contract reestablishing, contract renegotiation. This happens pretty often. So it's likely the result of the new Sierra Medical Center. In case you're unaware of what that is a new hospital that's being built. It's projected to be completed by March of this upcoming year. And so that may not work well with St. Mary's being a long-time established facility here in town. The way the dynamic with health insurance and hospitals work, they sometimes don't work well together. So keep in mind that the ER is still covered at St. Mary's for emergency-related services. Now remember, this is not our local trauma center, so that you won't be rushed there most of the time in case of an emergency, but you may be, and if that's the case, you will still be covered at the ER. And other services may be covered with a letter of agreement. This is a specialized letter saying that basically that service has already been pre-approved to be covered at that facility. Now this came all of a sudden with this contract termination, so if you have any questions with this, I want to make sure that you know we're available. I'll leave my contact information in the comment section below on this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. This happened very suddenly. We're getting as much information as we can out to as many members as possible. So if you know of anybody with any questions about this, please feel free to share this video, let them know about us, and let them know that we're here to help. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.